Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, you know our practice here. I will be putting everything that you need to know from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot, and for pre-orders, kindly check with your CAs or the website. So I'm inviting you all to please watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. And kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with the Vivienne New York exclusive collection that will be launching November 14th, 2024. First, we have the Nano Speedy. Price of this one is $2,210 USD. We have SKU here. So it would come with monogram canvas, vachetta leather trims. The bag charm is Vivienne, which is fully detachable, and it would come with detachable adjustable strap as well. Next on this collection, we have the very beautiful passport cover. Price is 45 USD. How cute are the stickers, guys? I think this is a good alternative to the Christmas or holiday 2024 collection because this is non-seasonal. Hopefully, they're going to release it worldwide, not just in New York City. What do you think? Loving the Statue of Liberty Vivienne at the front, and this is the back portion. Next, we have the Romy card holder. Vivienne NYC collection. So these are the stickers. We have the coffee, we have donut, and we have the green apple with LV. Then here we have Vivienne hailing a cab. So it would come with monogram canvas, and it would have yellow leather trims as you could see, and we are seeing the Vivienne sap on the inside of the collection. Next, guys, let us go back to the Christmas Animation 2024 collection. First, we have the Nano Alma on the Candy Factory. So, guys, this collection is launching November 14th. This one is priced at 1,800 euro or 2,110 USD. So, we have better photos for you. The bag tag is fully detachable. Then we have the Nano No Way. Price is 1,800 euro or 1,940 USD. We have SKU here. So this one is from the Snow Show collection. So this is the full look. It would come with detachable Vivienne. The top handle is detachable, and it would come with detachable crossbody leather strap as well. How cute is this one, don't you think? Next, guys, better photo of the Kirigami Pochette, which is priced at 850 euro or 1,100 or 1,010 USD. So this one would come with 3 pochette, small, medium, and large. I am loving the design and the stickers. And guys, how cute are the Louis Vuitton buttons or closure for this one. And then we have the Rosalie wallet. Price is 470 euro or 590 USD. We have SKU here. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, Vivienne button detail, and it would have red interior. So here we are seeing the Louis Vuitton flower button closure, and here is the front. So Vivienne is inside the heart-shaped candy cane. Guys, here are better photo of the Mirror Re-Edition collection, launching October 18th, 2024. First, we have the Alma size GM. Price is 2,500 euro or 3,100 USD. So it is the exact re-edition of the very first mirror collection by Marc Jacobs. Next, we have the Loop PM. So this is a new style of the collection. Price at 2,450 euro or 3,980 USD. We have SKU here. So material, guys, of the mirror collection, please take note if you aren't familiar, is the metallic silver vernis or patent leather. So this would come with detachable leather and chain strap. Next on the collection, we have the Pochette Twin. So this one is 1,500 euro or 1,860 USD. So this is like a wallet on chain style with the same material of metallic silver vernice or patent leather. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, as we could see here. So guys, this is a wallet on chain style, so definitely you need to be careful of the things that you need to bring. Then we have the zippy wallet. For the price, please do stand by, but we do have SKU here for your reference. Same material and same colorway. So this is the interior. So we have multiple card slots. We have one zippered compartment. So this is a long zippy wallet style, and the material is the verni metallic silver patent leather. Last but not the least, we have the Speedy 20. Price of this one is 2,300 euro. We have SKU here. So how beautiful and cute is this one? So this is the interior, gray interior. So same material of the verni patent leather from the Mirror Re-Edition collection that will be launched October 18th, 2024. Next collection, guys, we have the Ski Shearling. First, we have the Bumbag size MM. This collection would be launching October 18th, 2024. So price of this one is 4,200 USD. Surprisingly, this is the classic Louis Vuitton Bumbag style, as you could see, but the material is in shearling. It would come with the cowhide leather trims with gold hardware. Next, we have the Speedy 25. Price is 3,300 euro or 4,100 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. Material is the shearling and cowhide leather trims. It's pre-treated. So the zipper, guys, we are seeing two zipper pull tabs, so meaning you could pull this one either way, and it would come with adjustable and detachable crossbody strap. Next, on the Ski Shearling collection, we have the Carry All size PM. Price is 3,600 euro or 4,350 USD. We have SKU here. So this comes with a detachable pochette. The strap is fully detachable as well, as you can see here. It would come with bag tag, and that is the interior on the previous photo. Next, we have the Capucines GM Supple or Soft. Price is 8,000 euro or 9,300 USD. So this one, we have SKU for your reference. Material is in shearling, and it has cowhide leather trim. So this is the interior, as you can see. So it comes with the adjustable and detachable leather strap, and it comes with gold hardware. Next, we have the return of the Palm Springs Mini. So this one is priced at 2,930 USD. So still from the Louis Vuitton Ski Collection. Guys, please take note, the material of this one is a nylon. So all the straps are fully detachable and adjustable, and it would come with the bag tag, as we could see here as well. Next collection, guys, we have the very beautiful Shimmery Empriente collection. This one, guys, is so gorgeous. Launching October 18th. First, we have the Pochette Métis East-West. Price is 2,700 euro or 3,100 USD. Material is the Shimmery Empriente leather. Color is gunmetal with gold hardware. So this would come with detachable leather strap and chain strap. Then, guys, how beautiful is this one? Speedy 20. Price is 2,200 euro or 2,720 USD. Same material, so Shimmery Empriente leather with gunmetal colorway, detachable and adjustable leather strap. And this is the interior, black interior. I am loving the gray, full green leather look of the Empriente leather. Next, we have the Métis wallet on chain. Price is 2,110 USD. We have SKU for your reference. So this is a wallet on chain style, guys. Please take note. So material is Empriente leather. Color is gunmetal. So this is the interior. It has S-lock closure, and the chain strap is fully detachable. Next on the collection, we have the Lisa wallet. Price of this one is 520 euro or 770 USD. We have SKU here. It would come with gold hardware, and as you're going to see close up, the very beautiful full grain Empriente leather in the gunmetal colorway. So as you're going to see, the zipper pull tab is the Louis Vuitton flower. Next collection, guys, we have the Nano Madeline. So it could come in 3 different colors and 3 different prices. So for the Azure, price is 2,410 USD. Creme is 2,230 USD. Noir is 2,230 USD. They also have their separate SKU, guys, for your reference. So this is what it looks like. It looks like an East-West bag. Loving the armband leather as well. Last but not the least, guys, we have the Capucines BB and Mini. So this collection is from the trilogy collection that has 3 chains included, as you can see here. So 3 different prices and SKU. Noir 7,100, Silver Sea 7,100, Noir Mini 8,400. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!